What's up, guys? Creek walking today. I normally wait until summer to creek walk, but apparently some other new local people have suddenly got interested in creek walking because they've watched YouTube. So supposedly they all bought a bunch of waders and now they're all walking creeks now. So in order to even up the odds, I'm going to be out here from now until the rest of the year. Well, or summer, I should say. Anyway, got my first bottle here, and it's Gambrinus from Columbus, Ohio. Let's see if it's whole, and it is. Alright, well, take it. Got something here, maybe, unless it's just a piece. Oh, it's just a piece. Too bad. Yeah, this is cool. This is one of them freshwater lampreys. I think it's called Leesbrook lamprey. See if I can get him. Oh, nope, he's too fast. I've actually never seen one of those in person until now. I think they're kind of a more sensitive fish species. Man, there's even more of them Leesbrook lampreys. Interesting. I guess the stream must be good quality then. There's this many of them. One by my boot there. So yeah, they're not very big, but it's interesting to see this many of them. Do you see it? Looks like my phone's video is poor quality today, but I'm going to go around here and get a better view because all this crap is in the way. One thing I should have brought is trimmers and a saw. I mean, because look at this. All these invasive multiflora rose plants everywhere. Alright, here we go. Alright, got us a pipe. Finding one of these is a good sign because these are usually found in old dumps, not these machine-made ones. I'd say 1890s. Man, there's even more of those here, and a lot of them already swam away too. Some of them are trying to wiggle their way back up there. Crawl bad. Alright, finally found something. Old coffin flask. Looks to be in good shape. Nice piece of blue and white. Well, I have a friend who likes this, so I'm going to grab it for her. Okay. See a little marble there. Okay, we're out digging today, and we have to get through this asphalt layer to get to where the good bottles are, so that goes to show how much work goes into it. Almost 6 foot down now.
Two of them, man. Two of them.
one might be the hutch that you've been after. The one that you're next to now.
Right here?
Yeah, that could be a hutch.
Ooh, look at that one, dude.
Is that Weedman?
Trademark, yeah.
Alright. First one's a Weedman from Newport, Kentucky. And the other one might be the hutch, but it might be a beer.
Yeah, it's a beer.
No, that's a ketchup.
Ketchup bottle.
That's a bone one. Teapot.
Yep.
Getting in there. Got something else down in here. Oh, it's broken. Okay, got another bottle here. Extract, I think. Nope, now I'm thinking olive oil. Because the neck's so long. Yep. Olive oil. Slick druggist.
Three and 5.
I think I see the top to the other one. Is that a crown or a blob top?
Like a crown.
Might be a straight side amber Coke or a beer.
That's what it's kind of looking like, isn't it?
It's hard to tell from here.
Damn, what is that?
Chemist.
Yeah. Still full, whatever it is. Blacker is cold. Maybe it's just because down here, baby.
Okay, got another bottle here. Little quart beer base. There's something else here. I think it's an ammonia or something. Little slick ammonia. Something down here. Has an odd top. Can't tell if it's a cork top or blob. Doll egg. Alright, got some more bottles showing because of the one bottle. So we'll start off with this one because it looks like a slick condiment. And that's exactly what it is. This med. Probably a slick druggist. Oh, it's embossed. It's Dr. D. James Vermifuge. Then we got this here. I can actually see the embossing. Jay Walker from Cincinnati, Ohio. And that's a nice pony crown top. Never dug one. Then for the final one, we got a big old blob here. No, it's actually one of these whiskeys. These 3-piece mold, early green ones. Very nice bottle.